Hello friends, it's Amber and happy Sunday to everybody. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I am here to share with you a sneak peek of my Crafty Dream Packs February/Love Edition. And I took a poll on my Instagram and my community tab here on YouTube and asked if you guys still wanted me to offer these Valentine kits. Well, actually, I call them Valentine Crafty Dream Packs, but I knew Valentine had passed, but I still had these lovely kits that my sister Bree and I had planned out and curated, and we recently just packaged them up, and oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love how they turned out, and we included so many amazing items in these. So I want to thank you all for voting and commenting. Almost 100% said yes, still offer them, still do a video, still put them in my Etsy shop. So that's what we did, and these are so cute and adorable, and there's some vintage items in there and everyday items. So I hope that you will go click the link in my Etsy shop and get one of these for yourself. So I did want to mention that each of these Crafty Dream Packs has 75 plus items. Not everything is Valentine's Day. There are some vintage inspired items in here and some things that you can really use year round if you're into collaging or junk journaling. I've also included 2 bonus items, which are these 2 half composition books. And I do have a tutorial on how you can alter those here on my channel. I'll link that below also. So again, these will be linked in the description below, and it'll take you to my Etsy shop where you can find the listing and purchase one of these for yourself. Just keep in mind that these are grab bag style, mystery, and they're all different, but you can expect ephemera, stickers, die cuts, cute little embellishments, vintage pieces. There's so many things in here that you can use year-round that aren't Valentine themed. There's doilies, there's dictionary pages, there's all kinds of different ephemera and vintage pieces and bags and things to wrap Happy Mail with. Just so many amazing items, 75 plus pieces in here. So I hope you'll check out that link. I also wanted to mention that I'm going to be listing a few other things that you've seen me make here on my channel. So one of the things is this cute flip book that I made. I'm going to be listing this and including extra goodies, some fun stuff from the collection, and a surprise bag of extra goodies. This will be listed, and the listing will be up tomorrow. And I'll be doing a video and reminding you guys about that because I'm going to be doing a quick little fun project tomorrow with those pouches that we made. So this is going to be its own listing. And then I'm also going to be listing my 4 6x6 albums. And these are those cute flip out albums. These are also going to be including a bag of extra surprise goodies to go with the album. And it's going to be so fun. So it's these little flip out ones here, and so I'm gonna have a listing for each individual one that comes along again with a surprise bag of crafty goodies, and these were so fun to make. So that listing will also be up tomorrow. And also tomorrow, stay tuned for a bonus video that I'm going to be sharing where I fill these fun pouches that we made up with Happy Mail goodies. I'm going to share with you how you can take store-bought items, doctor them up so they look crafty and handmade, and I'm going to be stuffing each of these pouches and listing them in my Etsy shop. So I hope that you will join me for that. And again, all of the listings for these handmade items will go up tomorrow, along with the video where I fill these fun pouches up with Happy Mail goodies. And I hope that you will join me then. Thank you all so much for watching. I have 12 of these Crafty Dream Packs available in my Etsy shop. The link is below. I hope that you can snag one for yourself and make a bunch of cute things. Send Happy Mail, make junk journals, collage pages, do stationery kits, whatever you want to do. We had so much fun packaging these up, and I hope that you have so much fun with them. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for my video tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye everyone.